I can't believe my alarm didn't go off. The rabbits. School. Why didn't anyone wake? Dad's going to be so furious. What the?
I took care of the rabbits already. Dad.
I'm so confused. Dad? Lola? Lola?
She's over at Aunt Bev's with Layla.
Dad, look, I'm so sorry for, thank you so much for taking care of the rabbits. I know it's my responsibility, and I don't know what happened, but my alarm didn't go off for some reason, and I tried to...
I know. I turned it off. You needed rest.
Oh,
I left breakfast in your room. Did you eat already?
yes, thank you.
Monica.
Oops. Sorry. Dad, I'm pretty sure I missed the bus. Can you take me to school?
Honey, at this point, by the time you get dressed and we get over there, it'll be time to come back home. I called the school, and you can get your homework from your friends.
So, I guess then I can clean the chicken coop today, or, it's probably not a great day to work in the fields, but, if you need me to do that, I can...
Monica, it's 40 degrees and pouring.
I can help you replace the seed drill bushings, then...
Nope, they're still on back order.
Then the pigs, I can try to...
Clean up that pigsty you call a room? Absolutely. I thought I was going to break an ankle in there this morning. Visit Layla? Sure, if she's not sleeping.
Is it okay if I work on my math homework from yesterday, before my room?
Yeah, that's fine. I've got paperwork I need to catch up on today, too.
Okay.
Monica, let me know if you need anything.
I will. A baker is making cookies. The recipe uses a ratio of 2.5 cups of flour to 1/2 cup sugar and makes 2 dozen cookies. If the baker needs to make 72 cookies... I have no idea what this is even talking about. Hey, Lay. How are you feeling?
Guess.
Sorry to hear. Want to visit?
No.
Okay. Maybe later?
No.
Tomorrow?
Don't want to talk to you right now. Leave me alone.
Okay.
Monica? Monica? Monica?
I'll be right there. Just, cleaning up in here.
Okay. You have a guest waiting for you downstairs. I'll let them know you're on your way.
I'm glad Layla is going to be okay.
Me too.
Sorry, I was just cleaning my room. Oh, Cameron. Hi.
Hey, I brought you and Layla your homework.
Oh, thanks. Just what I always wanted.
I know, right? More math.
Monica, why don't you and Cameron go check on the rabbits, and then you can show them how to feed the chickens?
Oh my gosh, I love
hate
chickens. They're the best.
They're the worst.
Well, you're wrong.
Nope, you are. Okay. So, anyway, you were saying?
Huh?
About the animal shelter project.
Oh, yeah. Right. So I was thinking about what we learned at the animal shelter yesterday.
Right? Like, who knew dogs could OD? I had no idea. Oh, we could buy those naloxy thingies for the shelter.
Hold on. You didn't let me finish speaking.
Oh, right. I'm sorry. Please, go on.
So yeah, I mean, buying naloxone kits for the shelter crossed my mind too. But I thought some more about it, and it wasn't what Mr. McCool said they needed or wanted. And it wasn't on their wish list or on their website or anything.
Well, maybe they haven't updated the wish list yet.
Maybe. Or maybe they just don't need it. 'Cause, like, remember how Dr. Green said it was a big problem for police dogs? And they don't really get police dogs at the shelter, I don't think.
Oh yeah, good point. Should we get some for the police department?
Maybe in the future, but I don't even know what the police need. And we told Mr. McCool we would help him. So I kind of feel like whatever we do needs to be for the shelter.
Right. You're right. So,
I did some research. My first thought was that we could do a penny drive. Maybe call it Pennies for Puppies or something like that.
ooh, I like that.
Me too. But I wasn't really sure where to do that and how to keep any money we get safe. So then I thought, well, they have a wish list, right? We could set donation boxes up with the wish list attached to them.
Where?
Well, we can see what ideas the club has. But I was thinking maybe at the school, the 4-H office, and the pet store, if they'll let us.
What about the dog park too?
Oh, good idea.
So, we'll need to talk to people and get permission.
Yeah,
When do we want to do this?
also a good question. I don't know. Probably depends on when the club wants to do it, and when the places are willing to let us put out the boxes.
True. I think that's Miss Yes, that's Miss Stephanie. Hey, Miss Stephanie!